mekusvika tochichamusadza ndichifigura kuti amuitani yavanhu like literally community yeside yapedza yatokumona like I don't understand the boys mindset already like tanga ntusvire nacho tajiyaizal nacho chamuita yavanhu like literally vafituri vakutojasviri vazichiya vazviita yavanhu vazviposta community yeside mekusvike sviri vakutogara zvisineke zvakommunity and machozi yavo vathu vavo vothe vakutovaricha avana kusva mutienda kwamba navo try to convince them uriyo zvemutumba zviyamba is wrong asi uri rikuri career yanini pundu ndiena oita uri ive big we all know career yanini uri ive big ngauri ini nakutsina mara zvinoreva zvinyakaza zvinokainine ndizori niye kamuntu ene navanichichira naye kwana nini musimbeze support. Who is the gatekeeper of Vendrell? In my own opinion, I feel like we Billion Bucks is the gatekeeper of Vendrell. You know why I'm saying that now? If why do we have to prove a point? Come on. Why? Why do you have to prove a point? Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is your boy LBK Rosati Africa. You know, we are with another. So, it's been a hectic week. So, I've just released, not so long ago, I just released episode number 16. I guess it's now chilling it. I think it's 35 views. So I guess now you guys another one. So I was already the one selling guy, but I guess it's your pushes of the Nana. When it comes to subscribers, I'm sitting around how much is 561. I guess I'm pushing daily or they get there. So it's our road to 600 subscribers, you know already. So there's nothing changing in Mangacha. The first thing first, I just want to talk about McG and Kesper. I just feel like McG hit a level when it comes to Kesper. Because of, if you didn't hit that level, he was not gonna be posting, and now was posted just to prove a point would be, yo, I was performing there and no one was leaving. I just feel like he hit a level, and I just about to the Blamboya when it comes to that situation would be, yo, bro, the track is work, and if the track is work, and the people just that about to. When the way I'm going to return with Trege should be these numbers when it comes to YouTube, Spotify. Nah, that doesn't mean anything. Numbers is as though I'm as reach. But we all know when as Payola streams are being bought or Trege economy and one. So we don't know where to because or whatever streams now or it didn't buy streams or the streams that was out and we can say. Because streams are being bought. That's it. That's affecting the streams. The news are ranking and the price deals is streams. And it's not like it's a big thing with the streams. Come on. And as the rank of meeting, try to even more, you push more because of as well. If Nanga the streams, I push up line there. If no one go push on the they told me, but when you born, even though if not, listen, try to sit on 100. And the rest is 100 views on YouTube. Then I remember maybe the streams time you have 700. That means it don't grab attention about what you want. It take a while is sitting on 700. That means meaning when maybe to have longer meaning the even though it take doing this so the streams are limited when it comes to take it or something and we have to go up years a hardcore pay. But too much I don't feel like this thing of you saying you wanna fill up a stadium again we will fill it up. No, I just feel like you will embarrass yourself and go fill up a stadium because of to fill up a stadium is run, bro. Like I don't feel like you will be able to fill up the stadium. Come on, it's no longer relevant like back then. It's not like it's relevant like what you cousin who fill up the stadium. I don't even know my cousin in the stadium. I fill up picture where she sold out to more. I don't feel like you do fill up a stadium to teach up because to fill up the stadium is just when I guess maybe time I work with December maybe, but I don't feel like if you can see it's filling up FNB right now, I don't feel like it can fill up FNB. Come on, and they can't do so right on the wood. I will Chris Brown and fill up FNB for 2 minutes. And I said due to the fact of me, it's not longer relevant. It's just that the artist make ear the younger man and the ecosystem, you got the score release and music. It's not like it's more relying on music. It's not more it's relying maybe on the bookings. It's more relying maybe because businesses are say now another maybe it's room for filming, or player. To be honest, never who could rely as was but ungasiri ukurelax kasuzongabe kasuzongaziboka music streams yes angati vazochiti jenisi aichere pana mara not really tamo kutorelax kazo like focus yawo ndizvezvo ngomwana because I don't feel like zvavo zvichipanga chete like business dzavo side business dzinava nadzo investment dzinava nadzo akaside nekomwana tozosadevozoroteta but I just that I feel like the beef between those two asi beef ine itopera zvinhu komwana the beef ine ikatitoyayayo komwana beef ine vakatitotisana up until avo vathu komwana vakatitovana beef up until mumwe but those vatototangana vale vathu vaviri vatotoma totiyana maybe chingaperawo komwana that naye when he doesn't have the truth he just speaks some useless things I don't know bro but I just think he's speaking his mind and that's really our support just that I don't know just that I'm not trying to be rambo boya kubitu bane mangara shizurubini wait a minute come on but when it comes to but I guess na ele munachi post that in betka Twitter again you wanted to prove a point which means if it wasn't there why do you have to prove a point come on why do you have to prove a point if something didn't happen you know yourself it did not happen and if Jesus was media why are you catching feelings come on that means if Jesus was media mutu mutu catching feelings ngazi ngori asungite wadiba ngene ngori lipi so because we never to the rich too much says then the too much is this guy if he is catching feelings like this that means it Jesus is going to come on and then there's really now the time of this is a waiter so I don't know why maybe skill each or not why I should go feel like this type of way but I just feel like if this is somebody doesn't wait then you just have to leave it run down like okay yes shit didn't happen then it is what it is I don't know if you haven't got it go feel it was waited not for this to and you know the truth of it that's not waited but literally you're continuing you're posting things you're posting and you're trying to prove a point cover to me yo our waiters was so but if it's so waited that's it I don't know actually you know the truth of it these things that didn't happen and if it didn't happen then why are you catching feelings so we don't understand why is he getting those type of feelings in the one but I guess maybe what they or maybe just that they just think sorry their boy meaning is trying to trash talking who how the enemy wants sorry is always vague is trying to every time maybe he's talking bad in that again as about Twitter and if who's about who's track and what was the and if he is talking bad again here so what was I talking our standing with it and then we saw when no come me go music video so if someone was talking like that you know that you want to invest this type of money so and the moment I going there and they are wrong that means this guy why didn't you push us so and I should push us so and the level that I push up is wrong just that why are you doing it like that so I was all dance to the prayer like that and the other thing that the research already right now the German police and Chudupi they're releasing a joint EP. Is it joint EP or a joint album? So when it comes to this shit, are they gonna get equal or the boy is gonna get like few? They're gonna give the boy maybe 20% and go there. Because I don't feel like the German police are gonna get 50-50 with the boy. I don't think he will say, yo bro, you're taking, let's say you're taking 40, I'm taking 40, 20% we give it to the distribution. Come on, I don't think like Mr. Come on, when it comes to the speech, when it comes to the masters and what is it called? In publishing, I don't think they'll be getting enough speeches. Come on. Maybe just talk baby, I got to person. Hey, this boy is gonna put me on. If I release an album with him, even as bookings as there was a come on. But when it comes to maybe they wanna equal split sheet when it comes to the split sheet, I don't think we'll give him split sheets. Since I was equal Digimon Porres. I think that yes, maybe may be like a similar 10%, but the other time I'm in equal, I don't feel like now. I feel like we balance one equal species. I feel like we don't know, but yes, it's your power who don't balance species teaching up. Because if you can check me, the boy, you can't say the boy is on the same level now, but it's just that the boy is on the scene right now. One and the premium process doing it. Just that he can't release like an album on his own, Needs those type of kids to do the song with it, To even, I guess even putting him on now, when I'm voting the Mujita was as a cow. And I guess maybe don't worry about more, but maybe the Mangoan as the international. I guess the way I quit the boy, the way I'm a Digimon Preserve Tangarin, the way I Tango can cackups. Is that I don't took fair of first to Chichete Kaka. Kama polisi chera ngabara rofata ngorumi polisi tango time wala kapsa maybe tango chera yete nini we never heard of such a thing. Come on, I don't wear a for those pesos. I would see we never heard the shushi raba for tango shufi you did you polisi wala kapsa chera I don't wear a for those pesos. This will mean I would teach it. I don't wear a for those. I don't know though I thought they can be those who detain. We never know, but just that we have to just hopefully think I will business minded, I will careful when it comes to signing of the contract. I guess he has already signed the contract. One. Of course he has already signed the contract. Usually as it is rather sign the contract, usually of course you sign your contract. Is that that's a this contract you interview in his hand and you and that. No, this is just this was to the last for us thing. But in this to score, just you on the the boy they release this and this and this and this, but the one has documents it's not that who's going to but release the traces so I guess one. I guess to the one maybe the Torah meaning some of your over no I'm gonna be after the one. But it's a great put on when it comes to Mujita, when it comes to increasing even a value when it comes to bookings. One, it would have been a price when I just in at the book sanga. Unless the other Mujita, we independently can was a young and like a black boy. One. So that's the guys now they know how to do the business. So just have to slow the time. Another thing, bro, like I don't understand McShrek like literally it's mine like the way he thinks like McShrek like I don't understand him that guy. Like literally since chato I don't understand bro like man central like we know that Archafa music wa ukuda wa McShrek like only we hear me this kanda around like literally the boy but when you have a respect Kai as an artist, bro. Like the way me out more. Like since there's never been a point where makes like literally as a musician. Always does the drama, bro. Like every time we learn drama, like literally we do the one I'm like make tuning. No, not talk to Ambana, Jiman, bro. Like no year, mutu strata. Namita msazi like literally how come like how come next day can message here mtu wa strata like all know she say oh like apesa to mjia to mitami yavana like nini landira like literally I don't understand this mindset makes like literally utojia msazi makes utojia msazi ndio tondezo mjifigure out amitami yavana like literally community side ya apesa to kumona like I don't understand the boys mindset like because he thinks like literally umbrella kwa watch videos like wow umbrella of the I don't understand like I say like usa akas drama in modern music wa una wakucha mbona like I don't understand it like since you like mekusheka to umbranga hayo like atoja mtu ula not mtamia bana like it never I don't understand why it's that well. Even if it's just stand and to share, nacho. tajiriza nacho mitambo vana like literally vachiti just feel vachichiya vazviita vana vazviposta community yosayesa yapedza yapfumura mbiri chetu like literally community ikopeta vana vava vashoma vanacho ndoti kuzisei zvikwestion ava vana vaviri like what is it even though if anga push your content no I pushing you there I pushing you there like literally zvodichenesa nazvinoti vamwe zvinishizvitenwene kudichenesa mato anozvinai kudichenesa mato kachichava ende navanoita kudzidzira chirudzi but vanga vamekusvika pindiro kudzidzira chirudzi vakutodzidzira chirudzi vatorozvikuzvikona I don't understand it bro like they both really need to think utoraumbule vamwe zvinangozvita ngori ukodhinyadzisisa ngavantu vanje blind vanatu vanje vane right now vachisezana kusvike vatozviti sky mwana soko vanepa novanepa musi ndochibreak up he was there between like I don't understand it ungona nonula mudzana naye understand ukachitijana chikoro but literally she's still doing zvinhu zvizonga varwara nyana so ungona atimupfesesire ndani like alovazvozidemandendera vashumi zvaututi like mutu ande avanga mutu ungasviro seruvotonya kuti mutu ane ukatotonya kuzura pasina naye angazifanira mutola wangu hai and this now when as run now ukala kuota woni they have to talk with the boy and feel try kuita zvizonyo ungwana asizona even I don't know mtu aizelo ndabindo mtu wana something ndoto tumumbona nepa but ndibona chine page ni chabo poster or yes he posted some pic zero poster chine bale barasa one Saturday or Friday and post or yes dinamia bana mimi makako yes and I was okay wewe mtu ukuma Martina mtu offer us the community ngwana izasi zone zvako zvitori mekusvegi zviri vakutogara zvisineke zvakommunity and manjezi yavo vathu vavo imbothe vakutovaricha avana kusva mutienda kwamba navo try to convince them real bro zvino kuzviita zvirongo naziye sineke chacommunity nachitania vanhu ngwana hapeni zvinotozvibona zvinge sineke chacommunity and literally when it comes to unoona rent ovona zvitori asi kare kare zvive zvakonda zvitori zvorimi yo wavakugauliwa kuzikoriri nekukameriwa amba atazipitia chikoriri youriyo nekusvekimedya mufuna watototora naye vasukira vanaye mumwe hatitova vanaye nziti dzemba vapostana vachikudhiyana mumwe namumwe bada vatirova ndirizipo itodzinyana so I don't understand rumani ngavo mana totoderimini totosikuru vatokaivo izvanenati zvipesezi zvavala zvipesezi zvakumotomango zvavala nehaiti zvipesezi straight anyway let's move on to other shit bro did you see what Naka did so now when I was performing it, I don't know what club is it name so I was performing there it's still is a DJ so I guess they book him name so while he was performing there I don't know what the sound system was doing what but the songs were not playing I guess translations is conchain nendo tomona vidishi utambila nakuri if asara looking kyava if isatsena again kyava I feel like even now right now utomubana I don't know ndinero zoro dzekuri that is the one is zichiricha certain level and the work as you push they said to have this ego abana dibana ko mutu like coolest part mara chimutumita so like literally chimutumita so na aribasizana the boy just really need to enjoy music I just was straight at the chair at easy other than ever I could akuvambura yo if it's that thing why bro like literally what the bro when the news to consider you're an artist so to consider what what is what to I believe this so I love what is also next time vangasema kwa due to the behavior in overnight when it comes to whenever kungwana when it comes to what the way you are treating her. Now, one of us could have been there, the money, you waste your. I don't think with the door at them, we have to book him again. Kungan. I don't know what they tell me. I just Marangandri and Avananga. I didn't see or in the entire beaver when it comes to now. I don't know how beaver and drive me a wrong with like. The real beaver, I think, condone, especially because it is a man. I think condone beaver as someone. I feel like we're beaver and drive wrong. No one. I will be and drive wrong with blind. Like that is total behavior so good. I will be Gongari, but Tomo, Shanga, let's tell you guys. Now, you don't have Kungan. It's just to be an artist, a PG, a boom, in the room, the Bangayo, one. Even as rumors this is good enough, he can't produce. Kungan, I don't know. Literally, only. This one is just now. Those of you to whom I need putting a blind, but that's sexy, can't just say it to me. Naka can't produce. But we have to see can he do a song with Sherry and his own just away and the producer and team without the other producers. Come on. The woman and I want to be producer, take over Shitoma. I Besana. Come on. We need to eat. And the episode was going to Mara to take it, the bonus who does the most return. Come on. The bonus maybe the manga corners it. Just that the table will do it, Samana. And then like do it like that. And then there's one guy, I don't think like an Azita, and then that shows by Tibon. I'm not feeling like another producer from the start to the finish. Come on. I haven't seen him doing I actually am one who I guess just the problem in there about me. Every time I say I quit and who now to like the producers I don't pay it yeah we are. Maybe but one among one. Just that we mostly work with man. So most are to bonus. If he's working alone, those bonus return one. And one thing that I feel like this year bad company is gonna have the biggest year when it comes to their career. If you can check, I guess there's a new management when it comes to bad company. If you can check me, there's that I don't know the bad company and look at the bypass and the bypass Lishtushina. One. I think this is when it comes to music. Yes, you can say in my bad company, but I'm talking about music. Ndikunai wala ashita music uba kuuntu dabalawatuna. I don't know. Mara will just have to say to me. When it comes to this year. Mara, if you can check me, those guys this year, they are gonna have the biggest year of their career. Also, if Nanga check and music, I interview by podcast now. Who was she wrong with one? And the one thing such as I always did the so many. Why can I take it? Simulati na kuranza manamani. Simulati na kuranza manamani. What does the can go to the na General Manis? Oh, can't do. Simulati is a younger brother of General Manis. We didn't know that, but actually she confirmed it to Vele. I'm the younger brother of General Manis, like spirit. I'm like, whoa, that's why even the music is like that. That means never Australia ifara ungapanda. Mara, then the company the one wote I guess mbona watu kama mwaona utakucheza. I guess just that ish that company ningo kuini ni bad company ya ku. Mara kufanya wana suzonga zizi Facebook. I guess mazimoto I guess now una Facebook. Mara suzonga buzi TikTok ngokubona. Baba kuba watu push. Just that avance zinji. Yes atobana TikTok then. How push you and I mean. And I guess they're pushing this year. This year, I guess, and they have been far. It's now March. And they were seen. But I think by January, those boys have been trained like literally. Every week we can see them like that, coming relevant, more relevant. That's why in this company, this year, the company is going to have the biggest year when it comes to their career, when it comes to music, when it comes to even making money, when it comes to the bookings and what. Because there is someone who is working behind. And they always try with all the mixing sorts now. I'm going to wear a spot also. I won't if you can check. I mean, like the very thing of the Zaman that told me. a kone u vhea tshifhaṱuwo tsha u mukinda kumana mana ende sifhaṱo vha vha khou ḓi shuma zwavhuḓi mara yes vhone vha khou zama nga nḓila dzoṱhe uri vha pushe plan ndi khou ḓi zwi vhona zwi khou vha tshimbilela so if ndi nga ḓi vhusa so ndi a ḓi vhusa mara uri zwiṅwe zwithu uri Crosswave why vhathu vhanzhi vha sa mutshili nṱha to be the way then yes ri nga ḓi amba is Crosswave ne yes like yes ri nga amba uri Crosswave ono duma nyana yes Venḓa ono muthu mana skill tshine Crosswave yavha khatsho I guess ndi muthu ane should be more like rate ya hune ra murita is ngavha ita uri ive more than rate ine ra khou murita ngayo zwino man it has to be more man uri muna demanding like he has a unique voice is the way he produces bena nga cheka Crosswave uri ndila nyuma Fantastic Four to be the way it is there is because of Crosswave. If it wasn't for Crosswave producing that album I was not Sunday or Babylon into Wafin the capable boys and I don't think they are producers, they are DJs. The capable boys are not producers, capable boys are DJs. Come on. There's a DJ as his producer remember you okay they don't from a track and if any place then need even to go on. That's why I don't I should release the snaps and they Babana Uber Black but release I mean I release a Fantastic Four I want to producers in this business track cut from track your to the last track work one of those producers in the school as good and the show so this maybe Dory I guess maybe this one song or maybe Tama maybe these producers maybe come to the DJ didn't know how me abakona uja nandiri ndabona ngayo ne abakona producer one the drive ndabona kubona they can produce like for real like to produce the track from the start there bapesa work with better didn't ndabona kuzibona nga yes it's not like as DJs at all but you come by DJ track like let's say the bonus by the track in the right I haven't seen it and I haven't seen time because live maybe was put to you which could produce it and I should change that right for more for this song I don't know the name I don't know which change that this famous in the name but I just come with snaps and this one is right on me so we will come man that's why I restore what push and it never push and come on I guess over and now one of the snaps and things over push on blind when you know that's why this Doramini but kono one is booking Sunday and again them Sundays were push up blind enjoy told about the way never one guy the way Baby big guy and I guess cover was more than a strategy to host the snap Sunday in spotlight I do some over so I guess what the school the DJs is never was one of those who was no matter what really mean is cover up with and music one waba that big you never talk about albums that were successful monthly listeners when it comes to this Spotify again that was it for this for one to a certain extent in a lot of them okay these boys are really making it because of their numbers on Spotify are crazy one that right now these numbers are Goosebumps Mizo and the capable boys name so when it comes to Spotify also I think Goosebumps or Jenna 200 na Mizo na wo Jenna bela no bangwa wa 100 because of due to music rarity ya to teach someone and bata because and you know that they will search on it what is the gatekeeper of Venrap because every genre has a gatekeeper who is the gatekeeper of Venrap in my own opinion I feel like we Billion Bucks is the gatekeeper of Venrap you know why I'm saying that now nicheke zi artists zote zinizanda on the scene ne if you became ndani ya Rootkid because of Rootkid naye una mtu mwana ndaba naye like una this time so ngasi compare come on and we make it like yes na we're going to compare because vane vhathu nga the king of amapiano naye unganike kha vho distan kumala so vhathu vhane ri sa compare vhana vhathu vhane navho vha kona vha vulela mabudi. So if you come to the scene na nga tshika vhathu vhoṱhe u ḓo kha scene u Asati u GR player because one Buzba these artists then you can all of them when they start to become big and you can check see where this type of guy will big name they all go to $1 billion. Nichaka billion bucks ndere muthu na ḓovha kono bvelela muṅwe muthu mukulu mutani o kono ni wanela zwinthu zwi mini dzi distribution deal ona ndere muthu na ḓovha kono wanela ezwo zwithu. So that's why the chimwe cha kubuza ndisere the really and gatekeeper. That means if you don't work with $1 billion, that means he has a power. Akono buza vhathu vha vhane vha kha dzi distribution company yo they will not trust in a song. If he came arrive to a business na just say no. Come on. Just say no. And then we all know batho vanyanga feature means when they already there to approve on means. That means if $1 billion abasiwo asazi approve uri umuntu abe na feature means. That means in say one this one so that means he's gatekeeping you. And obviously angakona ukwanyeledza ngikho I feel like nakuthi unga ku metro nabo ndivho ndibanga vhathu nabo beta vho kwanyedza vhathu nga ubwe uri arali ngabe uri metro asini muthu ene mini like train never dissed me so I'm be a home days and just not one of the numbers that should achikumuchira I'm learning his strings because of the way he raps. I mean I still metro go rap and then I'm way on the his wings achimbe under his wings I can atone produces as nyimbo za best then vhathu mushuma zwavho ndi zwine nenda kunongozola this guy is a gatekeeper this one ngwa ndingazo ndishimangura this one is a gatekeeper for me I don't know as a gatekeeper nga train abangayo the way ine ashimanga I don't know as a gatekeeper ngwa is a gatekeeper for real and it's a bad thing if for me and gatekeeper ngwa because of but I guess there's no industry who starts with a gatekeeper. And it just that that's why that yes, Android is making money through music. But that's why we should start. There's that Android owns his stuff. One who owns it, that's why you should do one more successful. One and who when it comes to studio bookings Android. One. And obviously unaziteka ezinazi owner nje una catalog ngondafu and then that is the nje so I guess if nisina mushonga $1 billion I guess I don't know nanga yawo I guess I don't know nanga yawo that's why nabathu nga urumi abakona ba full stage leba bakhathi ngolimi umuntu nga kuyihawo kha khonga hawo bashonga ubatonti kuramzi nathi kube bathu bote bane abongankizi treza I still zithelo zabo zingade besigodiya but azidithwe next extent ringari care ndinera kuinyanga kuidinga ndira yawo ngkhona so usande zokuthi mara literally idengaita iphungwa ngaita mara so we just have to see what they do mara literally ya ni sharp ngwa yone mara something be gatekeeper so nizwa sharp na uthi unofanya I feel like $1 billion on very it's like because when you Mr. Muntunga Square Boy there's no talent there but because of he's part of that group but you don't no talent but literally there's nothing there when it comes to Square Boy there's no talent them to auto feature again awesome thing there's no talent there I guess but there's no talent there. But because of it's with the gig, when we finish, we feel like he has a big talent in your rap apply. One literally is your talent. What's not to push you, push you. Just that owner management was strong. One of those distributions are strong. The features and features are mizo. Pure. The government, gatekeeper. No one. Look at Black Z. Since chamber those who she talk of a job and then check us I saw you 2,100 before as a one was already stokvel achitopel aya asathondo zwa stokvel ndaba semizwe stokvel ndo onezo kakhulu. But because of abazuri stokvel stokvel and the stokvel is a part of things you need to know uthonga kuyiphi bucks ne. That means me uba ku yana ako asko physics na mtu ne the mtu na korana music or no is the guru of the music ndiye mtu ne control. That means if asko control so uba kuita ni uba kuthoma bara the king or oh you're talking too much you. If you're talking too much I won't even try you. If you're talking like this another settle who does to time to tomorrow to miss chat rava kai zazo pera mkongwana. But I guess the ones who determine mkongwana the ones who determine mara me imetreni ndio ndo mbona hey he's doing something some weird shit nenda ndo zona hey abi abafa tukana jo abi abafa we abi abafa. If he wants to gatekeep you as beatmakers no quotation instrumental since chelo tegelo suzori upela beat ya u3 achiva pa umzu beat ya u3 basi mbatele akwata ne amo like literally amucha ndobona mukuje manje ndobona shishakuti then those so start suzo even though to dish dash instrumental odabana na ya tiffin mulata brand ngoma so then angakona push it because of abangasi compete na mulata ukalevel yao na kuwakazi level za ngoma. So we just have to see na Rotkid ndi queen Rotkid just even though asal na umi Rotkid una understand na yindi mtu ni he knows to the music was chibisa yani and look at them Rotkid is hosting one man show who was that. Let me check Rotkid host one man show your guy the fuck and look who was that stadium look at them when Rotkid is hosting a one man show is hosting it at Rabari Stadium as the 14th of June. I guess in this one we are proud of one because of us bunch of when we are going to achieve shooters so and the bunch of when we Bibawa and when we are the show we feel like you're fortunate but actually one shows are fortunate but Rotkid is taking it upon when you show but I guess in the change fingers also you know to Rotkid never item artist story una coffin because of yes ningaita zishow ningabuki yoka zishow na wanodara batho kuibele trick ya mimi but asimito issue ndizi promoters udaza ukuni hey place but musili mwene kuta show ya ndio nina kono okay ndamanga to one when it comes to this place ndamanga to one event. So I guess ndio zino zitoko market wa Rotkid uani when it comes to cover event undimuji mtu and I guess my una market murani Rotkid kwa market wa Rotkid ndi murani because una fan but I don't know una because Venice zidonya kuita mni uyerenga tickets za Rotkid za rubini wana buy them tickets because zerenga rukonye kurimi real supporter una ndo kuti una da bako perform awo ari ndinge zo zuzugana tuto zimanje nemona mtu yesanga twana fingezi this but was streamer bachi shuwa suzo tunaita poster channels one thing I mean but musi ene muno orenga akuita zishu will he be able to fill up those places kwa the ticket is story bwana zimwe zuzungara tu team wewe kuzibona kwa it's like musi mtu lese an artist each government let's say each government from South Africa and then it's hosting maybe a tour maybe let's say in UK. But if he's hosting a tour, anyone not like maybe he's going there to perform, maybe he's doing maybe auto booking or no. It's like maybe because of Black Coffee went and did Madison Square Garden and KBC. They only reached the world, oh, this guy, una mind that guy, that side. Come on. Not to all big na that side. Rotkid is this guy zivizimera bakozibona kaka zimbabu zi YouTube zandi namba algorithm ne yawo kwira na zokuthi bala bathu mini baya umfollowers okuma izithuthwa Thomas never do check undizona na abantu bakumsupport zakuma ndio bathu banele basokubona this is just go push umuntu because yes zvoita muthu ava kutoba una hardcore fan kurani mara mini when it comes to fans haana fan minji nikongwana ndizvimwe zvinotoona maybe tutaona vano udoiteni koma totibona zvouditeni uri idovaoneyo hardcore fans dzine kana kudzinyaga uri zivaone na or hazingasivaone na dzikuva zifans dzezi dzafew sinezatoda saravona maybe but I guess if anga mara nayo udoziva kuti if lese stadium chatama chachifila panga watu wa 15k maybe akonofila pa watu wa 5000 audova ushuma mfiti mwana udova ushuma blind kuma ndo ushuma benachira ufila pa stadium zobaya king izofil kuma if ufila pa stadium zobaya izofil that means utaiza unyawita zvakuzi stadium muri ngabo October ngenda October mutano there stadium October when you will know October but how can go to know mwara mimi like kuma like awumboni munadimana usunyaka abuna zona deserve ewe abuna la gigi ila ni often it woman pendependent often it would there maybe but be aba that bala pinsta by it first or maybe itanga kujuni but kunya kuita zvinokuto that's why chichaita mini show yonga mini the link up ife show yonga pendependent ife it's because of the date is maybe zavo kuyanga azi pari nesibezi show kurani ngakuto ukuto uluri vanhu vakubva vakonyoyothoma ndona naye muthu ifashion yaje ndio uchana kuti vachitova kwana ngomwana wezova kwana and vasokoita zvitwa they don't market it apene zvichiosa so noitwa una mwedzi yachivaro ngomwana maybe uchosara maybe like 4 months uri show yoitwa you will see musikasipane vese vaita musachinye wakila pa stadium ndona maybe show ichikova nga November na richitomuudza nga gastronomy titozi kuti agwebwa izvino vanhu tukida kuzviita mwana uita rapa stadium wa June zvino ndi March onchaposta zvino March April May June kuva uchana chipina chirafu choita chori ive ikupush iwe issue mwana 3 months straight ikupush iwe issue zvakondora issue ive tickets those kudigirisiwa mini mwezi miraru yote speed itaro za mwezi miraru mwana ndizvimwe zvinobva tokupatwa pusha and then hapo issue yadva success issue mwana idokona washo success ngemudia yabude and then something I wanted to talk about and then to mune elozwe ayatandika break out ni atwanga story yo umulabo hundu mini no zwe mtumba zvyamba extra asi uri rikuri career nini hundu ndiye oita uri ibe big we all know career nini uri big ngori ni nakutsina mara zvinora kuzvinyagaza zvinokaine ndizori nika muntu ane navane chichira naye kwana nini musimeze support man be loyal to him be there for him when he's going through so much no one ajeso zvinosina visit mara ininiwa nadona yanaita interview napedza number so ngayo we muntu nifuna mara muntu wede nozvitumana ichikara mwana and anina ndo anini mwana akasi ndizonga zvine obalo zvikamuleta nene muna chiziyamba izikana ndozando ndizvindino and then zozvo kuzviita akuziyamba zuri ujulana mwana ne kuna 18 zvine ujulana yachina 15 Jeffrey says lost because of he started dating with him while he was a minor woman 15 years and one ago one Jeffrey says lost because of obachemaino la mtu the time missing achiva naye and this mother so I was to complete some saying that chiziyamba I guess it's kwamba ngomba kwamba because kuti yambera then ana zvinhu zvangaita mara chinenda kuonesha mtu ojolana yachemaino la mtu so that is one reason for me no if you do someone yachemaino it's wrong anze tuna mtu mudlala imwe mwana mtumba 95 15 years tundetona mtu ana 15 years na peno mtu na yeye mwe angotahamba umuntu ekungwana that's called if you feel malo ziyamba na mno azadezoni bini mala now mtu na bana uchi mtu uwa mtu uma ndizo zikunya mutana ngita kan kajize envious bini you this guy he started dating while he was bukayomi when he was young, and they said, nah, I dated him while he was 18. No. So we don't know really. I feel like it was foul, bro. Like actually, it's like situation in the SABC. Come on. Now I'm missing SABC was right now is going through the most. Even though but I should do the SABC they do not to us to do know it. Come on. Even though I convict you on it. Arachiwe jere center interview mwana mumwe obachidi uite swashidi wezuri ndimi ndende anori kono kutusa umuntu engage like umuntu bakuzama mburi nikongwa what are you trying to say no so anongo obalo mndira visit nyana mimi nimpoza ku something nyana nikongwa mfarele something nikongwa nito yanike no mfarala even a 100 rand mwana leyo abuto drengera something ngaphango nikongwa. But he's doing an interview just to, I don't know, so just go to Truffle's views, but literally it's common and no one really. If Nikom is used to, any moon true was used to, don't farsa, Nikom, any moon boom, just don't farsa, so, if even if after I born, because of all the but was the end one as full, if as one is true, would it tell me, no one? But literally what he said that. Nenda tobanga lesuzu za foul. This foul mungwan. This is a foul. Bro, I know one thing that so literally it's over for him, like crazy. Like literally it's over for him. There's nothing more it's really. I guess what it is people come on the boy literally need to have more than money now when I was no chopper man. And I take out to know got my poor money. They're still in the game. Na woda wakati na mara no. This is also when you are hot, when you are giving those people's songs. Na any make any show me. Na kuita songs na una pesa na just track me. Usini show ni beni kadibana ni na zivote na songs zinza vote zinza na the producers are best. Then the konotam the release that was a shuma big. If all akosoba maybe as kushuma track na mu asite track ya una mtu. Ashuma naye asite track naye na mundu ashuma naye asite track yawe wako to apa track daranda ukunya track ndona akunya hit ndona chipo bad hit ayo na kwina ngona but we just have to see with it when it comes to career limit crazy right now but so aushana ana hit na kona yes is an instrument but consistently la yaba nayo ikadiba onena gandre ne kobona ngane aichero azishawe zacho ikopera mumwana so tobona udite man and then that one na asipo ukobona umuntu and this is akuzufi but when it comes to the car issue I guess no and this one she not the decision did he have a house if he does not have a house is another issue if I was to buy that the rent what udogo wini issue krani if I was to buy that the rent usna uri obakwita obako pusha ni mume kama talengra mungu tinikuwa then if I was to buy that the rent aita zvawe akufantasize without buying a house inatova kuiona then the problem when it comes to zvazvino so when it comes to situation is kuite unoridza uri kuona zvinhu udova naiti na but if isava yone udova no problem cool udova no problem cool because when I come back from 50 and they are serious that's when the one that's go post that studio akushunga but literally mandeni zokona mitiko kwambo aiwa ndo we have to see utotova iwana nayo mara or iwe yini la it ya bana la guess nane nguko ule release often literally ibitango zangara wena often January Feb or release an album but literally is still waiting for release album and literally actually release album and often release album in January and after release or before which is best people it's like the way charisma ishmanga kuma even though album ya charisma yoba iwekne but this is the reason just got to the post of 4 minutes but for no intention sama why I still have what well because bana momentum mula so I don't know the American and they bro did you hear the song of Zintumalia Nicompo. Yo, bro. Aish, that one is a hit. That one, if Inga Fane, that one is a hit. It's gonna crash the internet, bro. Like, you don't need to buy hit. Still, like, literally, is a hit. The hit your parent with the fire. Yo, bro, like, she killed the first, bro. Like, she killed it. Just that she has that unique voice in it. Like, when it comes to my piano, like, sound, your way it got short, like, that. When I know voice, like, yeah, unique. And it's so different voice, yeah. You can't compare voice with the voice, young. Yeah, what unkosazana daughter because daughter is on a level when it comes to the voice. Una voice unkosazana daughter. Abana bathu nakubona voices zabo are different. And then I know this are very different. And I find it's so unique. Yeah, like you can't understand this in Andrei. Hey, like if you can hear the voice here, push a little second. And then if another page down and check and those person come was already. Ya literally detail katrek ya mapiano ya audience za shafiti ya track ya mwana. Hey, and the one thing is yesterday the news just came out for the Chaura is gone. If it was some TV, but let me just because I told you the ambe zinala wrong. So no, what did I read? Uncle Mudoni, yeah, Mudoni. The other sector na kablo yanitwane. I don't know. Hey, is that the movie I carried the Manava or the movie but she turned ball and Kongana literally like literally a bachel. Now a call and go on a movie to Macalda, the Carabana of call mammy. Hey, Lambo Yani tea. Well, technically that movie so fortunately last night in the as for me. We see at them. We just say, rest in peace, condolences to the family. Yo, bro, like people are going, yo. It's really Jesuits is not as quick and come on. It's really people are going and they, but when it was public figure and come on. And they, we just go through this and on. Straight. But I guess, yeah, but fans don't know what one was, but I just guess the way. Uzalwe sharpu, bamuta, babe sharpu, na mini. It's really scared, bro. Like you don't know what will happen tomorrow. Many things can happen tomorrow. Yo, bro. So the reasons are okay. Even the last episode, oh the mom to and look up she passed away. Even this episode again, this time when I come with me, she's passed away. So it was literally so like literally it's very bad. Another thing, Kulisum down. Kulisum is starting to have some attitude. He's starting to have this attitude. You Vinicius Junior, Ibra, like, what would be question carrying attitude in Havana? Like the boy at the border, I show an attitude in Havana. I guess it just doesn't matter about the Baba and Kuman. The moment I choose the story, I'm big in Congo, and there's no one who is bigger than me when it comes to the sitting position in South Africa. But to behave some type of way, do what they feel like, but another ego. The time to start to become vocal too much, and the most is no more by say career person down. Cut on the border, I show no more money too much. No one. Cut on the border. When you know Shamutisa, and then a man was not like because he was talking too much. He was talking too much. So mtu wa kumwona aba mtu reserve asato wa mtu wambesa. Because if aba mtu wambesa tungazi dochimbira. Kale mtu wa cool aba mtu utonipa diski, aba mtu utamba diski for the patient, not for me. Because most of the great players nanga check and they don't talk. In the field. Abambesi tu bakwambesi. Yes, there's no speaker is mtwana kwata kuisa zona referee. Yes, understand zeta izo. Mara Kristo mdawo woto mopanga cyane nzisino ukuthi muzite regularly. Woto muzita chipinga chote. Kumana ende those issues are sharp ngumba. I don't think this is are sharp now too. Hata mediski aveka zizungu ngumba. So media as politics, Africa is just so you don't about because of what is going on, what no because and the this guys don't do shikumba Just yo bro. And last night Barcelona was playing, I saw Rafinha, that one is going for Ballon d'Or. That one he wants Ballon d'Or. And there's no player currently that is playing like literally the same way he's playing. If you can check, Nanga says, una 43 goals, contribution ka 14 games. And the KO team, now Tonga Moduski, Nala Yamal. And I want to Alcom was places so chance. Come to those places are best is who eat him a blind and then I the senses of Super over. And I check this is also pressure. So I watch for it. But literally, this is one of the best players. And I bet we all know Lewandowski is one of the greatest goal scorer in the world, literally. Without a debate. The man is the top goal scorer currently in the world. But Rafinha is literally, even though he's there, he's playing in good way. Even if Lewandowski or Yamala is not there, but just take that back. If Yamal is not there, we can't just literally see the ball that will play. But he will play, but that's not Tamboza as we are man. That's like literally equal Tamaga Yaman. The word to me, I'm going to the best like literally in the near one rating. It's not that good. I shut over Naman, the strong and Ray Yavainga in Kungan. But literally, Nangacheka Daman. That one is literally like it's on another level. Kungan. So this one is like I feel like you go for it. Because I don't think my mom trainer will call because of Mbappe and some players who don't choose this. Even Bellingham on this side season, even Vinicius this season, when it comes to place of Man City now, maybe it's a Liverpool, maybe but Mungabo Finusu Salah. But I don't think that because of it's about to break a record it's 59 goals. Yeah, it's 59 goals. It's about to break it. And if you break it and I win a Premier League, then we don't know how UEFA. I'm going to UEFA. It's gonna be big. It's going to remove and I so and the games is changing. You know the one time I see breaking the record, yeah, 59 goals. But the item and the way I feel. So just the rest of this week, I'm a guy, man. This really good chance cheap, sure I feel very good. I feel very good. And the would see my peer and literally not check. What do you feel Oscar? Unless we must be chilling up great this life base. I feel very good. What do you feel? Soon, the work is anger. So, cool, I can watch for something. So, one the other things in the Gambang, yo, bro. And the rare AM is about to be sold. BT go to Maka 1 million. I don't know really, when they are saying a BT starting from 1 million or company. Mutana Kono team who is the proposal 1 million or charity and 1 million in one because of it's an auction. Then they are about to sell with the team. I don't know really. Just that, but fuck. They did them bad, bro. Like literally, and they did them bad. Like yes, you can't just celebrate those type of things. Go on. Like I believe it was for the first time which one from Fumakazashi won a team and they team out America Premier League. But literally now they wanna sold it. I just don't understand why. But there's a vision. There's someone behind it. Also, a team can't just be. Sarska is a Sukuswika. It's because Sarska is from Uji like immediately. That Uji or Salut. Why was one for time of me? I could not pay. Like literally says near Corona. Woman. Zindu. I've been doing that time with me by the local and it's a mission all I know. Unazi Loka one debe. Woman. But literally now. That was I don't feel like this is of woman. Like literally, I feel like they did them bad. No man, they did them bad. Because of you just have to give them chance. Just as start if each was weaker. It doesn't play, bro. Doesn't play. If you want something, they will get it. Our people go just be matching up If they want their money, they want it now. They don't say tomorrow when no. They want their money now. And tomorrow is Friday. They will be releasing business cover. KO is about to drop. Who else is about to drop? The Greek is about to drop. Who else is about to drop? I guess like if not check it, I guess like hip hop this year equal to where gaming. Like literally equal to move. Basically ni could be copied again. I guess wave yama piano this thing guy kwanya ngopela nyana nanga check. I guess the copy gaming when nigga check hip hop right now. Because since January when I was taking business to go push as well then even those stories this is hip hop. One like KO. I mean if you check out these albums as KO, it's gonna be big. Like is about to drop, it's gonna be big. And then a guy is about to drop, it's gonna be big. Who else is about to drop? Young Chief just released an album you were number one you were number one with Apple Music. So Audrey never funny over the solo songs is our number one. I guess it's empty nah. I think I'm gonna Casper your best. If it's not Casper, it's Aries or Nesty. From those three, one team I own the doors and it's only three artists never one as number one on Apple Music was as a solo artist. Not really. Una feature no as our when anti-Catalan. I guess hip hop we are gaming now and check like it's starting to become that. Actually, yes, we understand hip hop is an underground movement, but meaning even though it's an underground movement, but meaning una feature even though it's an underground movement, yet we are gaming again. Come on, yet we are going to be a again. So I don't know, maybe there's one sort of the journey or maybe it will be a game with them. You put out 20 on because it's been off for a minute. But we understand it's another movement. That's why it's the way we Shuma. We don't want to see finger. Even hip hop is Shuma. Now, even though I'm a pioneer, it will be this. Now, it's the one that is stronger who's my man. They are kind of like Bakuba, mainstream artists. Diamond or mainstream artists but when we team up this albums on the Ashima Sawoti, or the rest of albums on the Ashima Sawoti, it's because of when they do the way you have passed my road, don't see it don't work with the one to America, the Merapas movement to an environment, what this should be. Unlike one piano is about to be seen. That's one is gonna the artists at a certain time. But this is that in a young people reach the area as the artist in G1 terms of the artist than the hip hop because of Amatunga in Banjum who even lot what CPT Abacho on the scene, you will look as Reb Abea. But she said or look as Reb. I guess in the day we are having a beef between him and Blake. I guess the lesson is not to monitor career where you. This one is mission because one it is our ego career. More our ego. That's the answer to episode. Although we tell me, Mara, any career when you to our ego. Oh, to career with you. And I don't want to determine if you could see the papa. Mara, it's not true. But it's been a crazy way. This week I don't even wanna go to these things. I think we'll be under generators because I feel like it's about me. The DJ Karen, DJ Karen didn't carry on a game or didn't know others. Because of the bear at the scene, I think I started knowing him like last year. Message could move the wall, lose throw a badge, could move a push, and I mean, but literally, I saw some pick, but wouldn't. The car push maybe just that he always had to or maybe read something, or maybe mean something. Well, maybe to it is as one that is that. And I remember no texting like I pick and choose the artist you have a beef with someone, I pick and choose one like literally kind of beach taking a Kendrick Lamar. Never listen to Kendrick Lamar song. I don't even take Kendrick Lamar education. And I don't know what I'm going to say at the end. Yes, there's the way Helen was here. mara ndokamboitacharisa ndingaisinga ndingadheuzo lyrics tonisa hana hatitoenda pasi lyrics dzavo like literally rine rudipera than rap. Then if havana striking and first those could deal zitacharisa ratachisa makazi nini zvine zvatachisa zvonipizvaizvine really listen to it varakazvacho rotachisa zvacho track haratizotachisa zvichizvinji nokumwa zitachisa zitrack zvacho zvapera zvarikutachisa matrack vanji manje hareitezvo only listen to our tracks that's filled with the idea this music vakasini vavhenda ndidzo dzine vazitachisa face those for after utachisa track hapo ubhiaziti zimwe obviously namakazi nekombo obviously nabazi yathi sinazo nyana zikopa ndike I pick and choose ndikotachisa I mean this if like shandeshes aso I don't think don't matter what churches sell out one yes mabona strike zetamu 18 abanayo one mara utorikama kumutachesa umutachesa ala isina ndikubandi kwambo mishes work no I don't listen to any music like there has to be a story and even the situation that you really take it out after 2 years then oh dear ne take it's such a time situation that often get take the week time the way good tea can woman listen to this man that's how I operate when it comes to music one get such a time and then that take recon inspires hand because of sometimes it's like near the stage as the but you felt like nah they're not inspiring you with the way that you feel like what you want them to inspire you. Marana wants to them which could inspire. But yes, I guess that's the one who do it. I mean, Mara's tricky. Soon as good day, Mara. I feel like hip hop this year you could do a gaming. And I guess it will to the truth. But it's gonna I would come out to come into the surface like quite to how she knows. I guess house. Mara, I don't know music type wa makazi music ngwana makazi ntorili rwa zwalo ngwana so are those music type wa uno kudwa ngomakazi ndofiyo ngwana so the ones who don't know mentions as people you know what it is a boy big here in Africa amari